Welcome to 2959 Southwest Pumice Avenue, located in Redmond, Oregon. This home is 1,144 square feet, has extra parking on the side, an attached two-car garage, a good-sized lot with beautiful landscaping, fenced backyard, lots of mature trees for shade, and nice ambiance. The roof, you can see it's not quite done right there around the antenna, but is brand new. It's just being installed right now by a licensed and bonded roofing contractor. Everything's in beautiful shape. It's a great central location within Redmond. Neighborhood's really clean and well kept. Just a beautiful single level home in tip-top condition. Standing in the foyer looking at the great room area, you can see the hardwood flooring. There's a ductless heat pump system with the head here in the great room. The dining area that leads out through the slider to the paver patio. It's a large, great room, has a ceiling fan, and having the ductless heat pump keeps the temperature perfect all year round while keeping the costs low. Tile flooring in the kitchen, so it has really high-end flooring all throughout. That door leads to an oversized two-car garage. The kitchen has good laminate counters, great cabinet and cupboard space, a garden window, ceiling fan there above the dining room table. Just an awesome back patio that's mostly paved, but a little bit of pavers as well. Primary bedroom. This fits a king-size bed with end tables with ease. Has the same hardwood flooring in here that's in really good shape. Bypass door closets. Bathroom has those tile floors, and it's just a very clean but nicely done bathroom. Hall closet between the two guest bedrooms. The larger of the two guest bedrooms. Fits a queen bed. That is a full, but a queen does fit comfortably. The guest bathroom, tile floors, tub shower combination, a medicine cabinet, another closet at the end of the hallway there. And then this bedroom is being utilized for storage right now. It's about the same size as the next guest bedroom. It's in good shape. Has wood floors. Just a really fantastic layout, and the home is in beautiful condition. Standing in the backyard under this large shade tree, you can see there's a spacious backyard patio with slider access into the great room, man door access into the garage. It's very sheltered and shaded in the afternoons. The landscaping's in great shape. The backyard is fully fenced. There's a storage shed for outdoor equipment that you'd rather not have in the garage. The ductless heat pump external unit. Just an awesome backyard.